Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So today I created this look right here. Sorry, I know my hair is like super frizzy. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on. I just left it on a natural commando type thing and this is what it is. But anyways, I created this look for you guys. I hope you guys really like it. This is basically my go-to look every day. No lashes, just an eyeliner and my mascara. Very simple. It is just my easy makeup like when I'm in a hurry or about to get ready just to go run errands. This is basically the makeup I usually go for. So I was actually getting ready and I decided to film it for you guys. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Please give my video a thumbs up if you do like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Let's get on with the tutorial. Okay guys, so starting off, I'm going to be using my Pores No More Luminizer Primer by Dr. Brandt. Love this stuff. It clears up your pores. Next, I'm going to be using my foundation. I'm currently using the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse Foundation. I am in the shade Sandy Beige, if you're wondering. Love this foundation so much. I am going to apply 2 coats just so I can get a more airbrush finish, a little bit more full coverage because that is kind of what I want. Next, I'm going to go in with my favorite concealer of all time. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm sure it's one of your favorite as well. I just love this product so much. It covers up my hideous dark circles, and I do apply it around my mouth just so it can cover a little bit of my discoloration there. Next, I'm going to go in with my True Match Concealer by L'Oreal. This is in the shade Medium Deep, I believe. I love this because it's like the perfect shade for me for contouring, and I feel like I always find like the worst contouring shade, and I feel like this one works very well for me. It's very easy, very blendable, and I just love it so much. It just sinks into my skin perfectly. Next, I'm going to set my concealer using the translucent setting powder Air Spun. Love this stuff, although it smells a little bit like Old Lady, but I still love it. It's still bomb. Definitely highly recommend. Next, with my favorite bronzer of all time, this is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula in the shade Bronzer, I believe. I'm just going to go ahead and define a little bit more of my contour and just make it a little bit more sharp and more noticeable, and then bronze my forehead a little bit because everyone wants to be sun-kissed. Next, I'm going to go ahead and carve my contour using the same translucent powder, and moving on to brows. I love this stuff, you guys. Oh my god. Seriously, you guys have to try this brow definer by L'Oreal. It is just amazing. It's bomb.com. It is probably equally or even better than the Anastasia pencil, FYI, and it's a lot cheaper. So if you guys are looking for a new brow pencil, a bit more affordable, I suggest you guys checking this one out by L'Oreal. It's just perfect. It's amazing and it works very well. I love this stuff. Next, I'm going to go in with my brow gel by Essence. I love this stuff. I feel like it just gives my brows a bit more fuller appearance and it just keeps them in place. Really love it. It is just my favorite, honestly. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions mini palette. Love this palette so much. I'm going to be taking the middle bottom shade, or the bottom middle shade, however you want to say it. I'm just going to take that shade as my transition shade. It's a little bit darker, but I feel like it's going to be fine. And I'm just using windshield wiper motions just to kind of blend it out seamlessly, because right now we're going to go in with a little bit more darker shade just to deepen it up a little bit. I'm going to be taking this corner shadow of the palette. It is just like the perfect rusty red eyeshadow, and I'm just going to use that shadow just to darken up a little bit the corner area. Last but not least, I'm going to be taking that light creamy shade and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. I was actually thinking about making this eye look a little bit more shimmery, but I decided just to leave it all matte and it worked out good. I'm not doing anything, so might as well. So right here, whatever is left on that blending brush, I'm just going to go ahead and blend out my crease area so there's no harsh lines. Next up is eyeliner, and I'm using my NYX liquid liner in black. I absolutely love this liquid liner. I actually had to find myself a dupe for the NYC liner because they discontinued it. and this one is probably even better than that one. It's matte black, lasts all day, and I just love it. You can make your wings super, super sharp. It can cut a bitch. Seriously, it will. Anyway, so I'm right here dusting my powder off just so I can move on to blush, and I'm using a Tarte blush. I actually don't have it in front of me, so I'm not sure what shade it is, but I will link it down below for you guys if you guys are interested. Moving on to highlighter, I'll be using my Revolution collaborating with Xoxo highlighting palette. If you guys have not seen this highlighting palette at Ulta, highly recommend you guys check it out. It is amazing. It's very affordable, and the highlighter is poppin'. No joke. It's poppin'. And right here, I just used a really mild one, so yeah. Next up, I'm going to curl my lashes so I can get them ready for mascara. Currently, I've been obsessing over this mascara. This is the Total Temptations Mascara by Maybelline. It has definitely become my favorite mascara at the moment. I just like the way it gives my lashes length and volume, so yes. Next up, I am just going to be exfoliating my lips with this e.l.f. exfoliator. And for lipstick, I'm using this NYX lipstick in the shade Audrey. It is just a really nice, simple, plum shade. Perfect for an everyday. And yeah, last but not least, we're going to go ahead and spray the face with the Mario Badescu Facial Spray in Rose. And yeah, like always, I always get it in my face because I always squint because my mascara was pretty wet. And that is it, you guys. Hope you guys like this little tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up before you leave, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!